Hello, my technical friends. This is TestOut Linus Pro, and this is lab 10.2.10, and we're going to stop a zombie process. So, as part of your daily maintenance, you scan for and kill any zombie processes on the system. Complete this lab from the terminal. In this lab, your task is to use the PS command to find the zombie processes. Use the kill command to terminate all zombie processes. Alright, so that is all we need to do. So I guess in the absence of any other thing, let's see, we'll go ahead and start up lab. Alright, so we'll wait for this lab to load. Meanwhile, if by the end of this tutorial you find this video to be helpful to you, you might also want to consider joining my professional membership, where you have detailed video guidance on how to solve any TestOut lab at all, no matter how complicated it is. Also, you might want to like and subscribe to the channel, where you have access to our wide variety of educational video materials to help you with your TestOut labs. Alright, so this lab has loaded. Let's go ahead and open terminal. And while in terminal, you're going to type in PS space AUX space. Okay, so you press enter. Okay, and we allow this to load. Allow this to load. All right, so it has loaded successfully. So it is time to queue process. So you type in queue space dash 9 space 1301, then you press enter, and then you copy and paste this, and then we edit this to 1570, and then you press enter, and then you paste what you copied earlier, and then we edit this to 1980. We press enter, and we'll go ahead and score lab. Alright, so if this video was helpful to you in any way, also consider sharing in other educational platforms so that other students can benefit. Also, like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and I will definitely see you in my next video.